Welcome to KLONGNIN Nature Hill. Hey everyone and welcome. I'm so excited to share this incredible find with you. Before we dive in, be sure to scan this QR code right here on the screen. It'll take you straight to their website where you can get all the info and even book your stay. Alright, are you ready to be transported? Because KLONGNIN Nature Hill in Koh Lanta, Thailand is absolutely amazing. Seriously, just imagine waking up surrounded by lush, vibrant greenery. This charming little two-star hotel is like a secret paradise, a total escape from the everyday hustle. The atmosphere here is just pure serenity. It's the kind of place where you instantly feel relaxed and at peace. Picture this, you check in from 2 p.m. onwards, giving you plenty of time to settle into your cozy room and start exploring. They've got comfy rooms, perfect for unwinding after a day of beach hopping or exploring nearby temples. And the views? Oh my goodness, the views! Breathtaking doesn't even begin to cover it. You're surrounded by the natural beauty of Koh Lanta's coastline. It's like something straight out of a postcard. Plus, the staff are super welcoming and embody that famous Thai hospitality. Now, let's talk about some extras. After a day of exploring, you can head over to the hotel's bar. It's the perfect spot to kick back and relax, enjoy a cocktail, or sample some local beers. They also have free Wi-Fi so you can stay connected. Getting around is easy too. You get free parking. KLONGNIN Nature Hill is perfect for anyone looking to unwind and soak up the natural beauty of Thailand. Just a heads up, they do have a specific child policy to bear in mind, so just check their website for the details. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the website using the QR code, check out the dates, and book your stay. I promise you won't regret it. Koh Lanta and KLONGNIN Nature Hill are waiting for you. Happy travels, everyone!